Want to know how much you can spend before you reach the checkout? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Klarna purchase power for any store in seconds. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your purchase power is the pre-approved amount you can spend with Klarna's Pay in 4 or financing options. Let me show you how to check it. The easiest way is to use the Klarna app. Open the app and go to the Shopping tab. Use the search bar to find the store you're interested in, or simply browse the shop directory. Once you select a store, you will often see your estimated purchase power directly on the store's page within the app. This is a quick, soft check that does not affect your credit score. You can also visit the store's website and proceed to checkout. When you select Klarna as your payment method, it will automatically display the maximum amount you can spend for that particular purchase. A crucial pro tip: your purchase power can vary between merchants and is not a fixed number. It's best to check it directly for the store you're planning to shop at for the most accurate information. And just like that, you can shop with confidence, knowing your budget beforehand. Checking your purchase power ensures a smooth and surprise-free checkout. Do you always check your purchase power before shopping, or do you prefer to go straight to checkout? Let me know in the comments. To plan your budget, subscribe for our next video on how to calculate Klarna installments. Thanks for watching.